Hi, Luz.
Hey, Leslie Brown, how are you today?
I am doing fantastic. It's good to see you. I've missed you at the office.
Oh, goodness gracious, me too.
Yeah, I'm ready to get back to work. So I'm glad you could come and join me today. We're going to go take a quick tour of 102 Fiddlewood Drive in Venice, Florida.
Oh, that's awesome. I never see this house.
Well, this is in Sarasota National, which is part of the West Villages, and it's really close to the Braves Stadium, the new Braves Stadium. So let's take a look and see what this house is all about. This is the Roma floor plan, and it was just completed last year in 2019. Our owners have a large family, and they decided they wanted a little bit bigger house. But this floor plan is, let's see,
The Rome.
it's Roma, R-O-M-A, and they don't build this floor plan anymore on the non-golf side. So this is on the non-golf side of Sarasota National, meaning that your fees are going to be a little bit lower. It's actually just a little bit over $300 a month, and they take care of everything on the exterior of the house, not the pool, but all of the roof and the house and the landscaping.
Question, Leslie. Can you still play golf?
Yes, you can. You can play golf. Um, you can go use the golf course, and it's actually considered a guest fee when you go use the golf course. And you can use all the other amenities too, which we'll show you in just a little bit.
That's awesome. Oh, I'm seeing some smart stuff going
Oh
on.
yeah, yeah. That is part of their smart home there. Now that portion, this little screen here, is part of an Apple device, and that will not be included in the home, but certainly you can help someone set up a new one, right? And they do have installed the security system and the Honeywell thermostat that they can control from their phone.
Well, that was, that's a beautiful thing. You can be in the beach and then come home and set up your AC before coming. So when you are inside, it's amazing.
Yeah, it'll be beautiful. It'll be wonderful to come home to a nice, cool house.
Yes, it is.
For sure. All right, so these cherry cabinets are throughout the house. You'll see that in all of the bedrooms too with the granite.
I really love that island.
Yeah, it's nice and big, lots of workspace and plenty of room for a big family. Lots of dining space.
Yeah.
Big, what is that? What's the room back there, Liz?
That's
the pantry.
oh goodness.
But here we are in the master bedroom now, and you'll notice that this has tile on the diagonal. Should have kept that going. The tile is on the diagonal all the way through the house. There's no carpet in this house. And this is the master bath.
Is that the closet?
Yeah, that's a big walk-in closet right next to the shower there. Yeah, I'm sorry I don't have that door open. We can't go inside of it. There we go. This is the guest bath. This is over by the other guest bedroom.
It is a huge size too.
Yeah, the rooms are really nice and big in this house. Of course, it's over 1,900 square feet, so you're going to have plenty of living area here. And there,
I thought you told me that it was a 2-2. What's going on there?
Oh, well, that's actually the den, and because of their family, they decided to go ahead and make it a bedroom. And look what they did to the glass doors.
Oh, it's frosted, so you can see anything.
Right, you got privacy when you close those doors. Beautiful, beautiful large laundry room too, and there's storage in there. There's a lot of storage in this house. It's surprising how much storage there is. And a big lanai covered area.
Oh, I love that pool.
Yeah, and look how it faces the preserve, so you have that privacy there.
And
Very nice. Yeah, it has a hot tub too.
That's really nice.
Yeah. Beautiful landscaping. Now, I wanted to talk about this area right here because the home to the right of this was actually to the east of it, has just been completed, and now they're waiting for that new homeowner to move in, and they're going to coordinate with them to create some kind of a privacy screen here, whether it be fence or some areca palms or some kind of planting that'll give each of the homeowners here some continued privacy.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Yeah. Now this is from the front porch. There's a seating area in the front where you can sit out and watch the birds. Did I mention that this is an Audubon sanctuary?
Oh,
The
really?
actual, yeah, the conservation group, the Audubon, National Audubon Society, helped in the design and the development of this community to help preserve areas for wildlife.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
It
I can
is.
imagine how many birds will be gathering in those ponds
You will love that.
if you're a birder. Yeah, yeah. So like we said, this is in Sarasota National, and the amenities in this community are just amazing. They have a state-of-the-art fitness center and a pool that would be like a resort. Like, you'd think you're at Disneyland.
Oh, that's a nice resort pool.
Yeah.
And
I
it's
can
really
hang out
big.
there
I
for the
mean,
afternoon, right?
yeah, definitely.
Yeah. And it's not a 55 and over community. There's a lot of families here, and the kids who live in this community go to the Taylor Ranch School District.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah. So thank you for joining us on that little bit of a tour. Luz, how can people get a hold of us?
They can call to our office. Our phone number is 941-681-3420.
We also have an app. We have probably the best app on the market for searching for homes, and you can download that app at lbteam.us.
That's awesome.
So be sure to reach out to us if you have any more questions about this or any property, or if you'd like your own home featured on a tour like this. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you.